All right, hi. Our next pitch for today is for Inaki Eguizabal, President and CEO of Kliux Energies International Incorporated. Go ahead, sir. You can start your pitch right now.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having here and for the opportunity to showcase our company to everyone. Well, we are Kliux Energies. We are a company that has an idea. We are entrepreneurs by heart, and we came up with a great idea. We have developed our own technology. Now we have a proven technology, and we are addressing a huge addressable market. What we realize that there is a problem in the world that we probably could help in resolving, and we realize that the access to energy is essential for any kind of economic development. And following Jeremy Rifkin's philosophy, we are passionate to follow the idea and the concept of the third industrial revolution, where we foresee every consumer becoming producer and consumer of its own energy, putting in this way every individual in total control of the future cost of energy. So we developed our own technology. We created and developed a vertical axis wind turbine designed and developed 100% in Spain. And the characteristics of our wind turbine that sets us apart among a few of the aspects are the fact that it is completely quiet, that is always oriented to the wind, that it has no impact in the environment, is bird friendly, and basically is accessible to any budget and adaptable to any energy need. So there is an opportunity that we see in the market where we see a higher increase in demand of energy, a bigger conscious and shift of paradigm where decarbonization of the environment is a first priority in our society that continuously continue to demand more energy. And internationally, this has become a reality, especially now with the COVID-19 situation. Everybody has realized that we have a better life if we have a cleaner environment. So we would like to contribute to that purpose, and obviously also to fulfill the energy needs that we have around the world. And that's the biggest market opportunity when there is hundreds of millions of households around the world that still do not have access to any source of electricity. In the telecom business alone, there is more than 400,000 telecom towers that will be deployed over the next coming years. And if we look at the first developed countries, such as the US, even in these type of countries, there is still many locations where they don't have access to electricity yet. So our objective and main goal, our vision, is to be able to provide to the market the lowest possible cost of energy using distributed energy resources, wind, solar, and any other possible resource that we may have available at every location. And we want to become the market leader in manufacturing and developing small wind turbines. So for this purpose, we committed from the beginning, since our inception, to invest highly on R&D. We have used the highest instruments of 3D fluid dynamics to create and develop our model of a wind turbine. We have partnered with multiple companies around the world to create synergies and to accelerate the R&D and product development process. We have put special interest in concentrating and improve our turbine in every aspect of its architecture: the blades, the electric permanent magnet generators, the multiplier, the noise level, the quality control. Every aspect has been our priority over the past few years, and we continue to evolve and change. And like in any other products, such as the automobile industry, the Range Rover that we have today has nothing to do with the old Range Rover that we had 50 years ago. So now, as Kliux, we have been able to position ourselves as a market reference manufacturer of vertical axis wind turbines. We have 3 products already in the market, proven and tested in many real customer installations. This is a wind turbine that is always oriented to the wind, that is completely silent and perfect for urban wind integration. The applications are multiple, from agricultural to industrial to residential, municipal, grid connected or off grid connected, and we could always develop a project custom made to the needs and the economical possibilities of any user. These are just some examples of installations we have done in golf courses, in sport marinas, in isolated cabins. Concepts that we need to develop, and we see a great opportunity coming in the very near future, is the electric vehicle charging stations with renewable energy. We have done a few, but we think there is a huge opportunity on this area. This is a hybrid installation for electric vehicle charging station in Canary Islands. Also, the telecom tower solution, replacing all technology diesel power generators, polluting and high cost of operations, could be replaced with our clean, sustainable energy solution with a hybrid solar wind battery system. Hybrid solar farms or industrial applications like this one are some of the projects that we have done over the past couple of years. And recently, there is a big change in the oil and gas companies, such as BP, that last year started a new change in their political view of the environment. And we incorporated a solar wind electric vehicle charging station at the BP Amoco in Corralejo, Fuerteventura, Canary Islands, Spain. This is the system running, and this is something that we see that could be replicated in many different countries around the world. Also, we have done water treatment plants, another type of installation that we see a huge potential for growth. Residential applications like this one, hybrid energy solution, solar wind batteries, and this is in Canary Islands as well. We have done quite a few projects in Canary Islands just because it is a location with tremendous amount of wind and tremendous good levels of solar irradiation. It's almost like the paradise for renewable energy, but this could apply to any other island around the world. One of the most recent installations that we have done is this sport marina in Santander, northern part of Spain. This is the wind systems, 3 wind turbines that are supplying enough power to complement the energy demand from the boat charging stations and the sport marina club and restaurant center. And from 2016, we established our headquarters in Chicago, even though we do our R&D and manufacturing in Spain. So right now, we are really looking to find and identify strategic investors that will allow us to expand our international commercial expansion, identify and grow our distribution network. Initially, we have big indications of interest for this distribution agreement in Mexico, in Denmark, in Norway. But also, we would like to continue to develop new products and solutions, such as the wind forest concept, to create a new wind turbine of 20 kilowatts. Right now, the wind turbines that we have in the market are 2, 4, 5, 7, and 10 kilowatts, and the 20 kilowatt wind turbine will open a new concept such as the wind forest, which we believe will have a great potential in the near future, as well as creating floating platforms in near shore locations, pretty much in line with the concept that is being developed with the large windmills, with the floating offshore installations. But we believe our solution has many advantages in terms of logistics and cost of operation to install 50, 100, or 500 wind turbines in a floating platform near shore, where the best wind conditions take place, rather than putting a large windmill that will have a much more costly operations and installation logistics. So for this purpose, we are looking up to $5 million in capital investment. Our minimum target is $1 million, and definitely we are open to any questions and suggestions from anyone in the audience. Here is our contact information. I am the president and CEO and one of the founders of the company. And if you have any questions, please let me know.
All right, thank you so much for that very interesting presentation. We already have some question here. First question is this is for residential use or commercial use?
We focus right now on a B2B business as our priority, or but our solutions are good for both residential and commercial applications. I have to say, as a business model, we are focused more on the B2B and institutional business opportunities, and we see the residential market to grow after we fully develop first the B2B market.
Thank you. And what is the lifespan or validity of the product?
We have conducted in our R&D process many tests of fatigue and performance, and we estimate the lifespan of our wind turbine in 25 years.
All right, wonderful. So, any other questions, guys? By the way, while we are waiting for other questions, just to let you know, you can directly message Inaki using the direct message feature on this platform if you would like to reach out to him and invite him to the social lounge to do a one-on-one meeting or one-on-one networking. Also, the email address is in the slides right now projected. If you would like to reach to him directly, feel free to email him. I think that's all for today. There's no other questions. Thank you so much for your presentation today, Inyaki.
You are very welcome. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.